Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. We have a quick Friday night drop-in because I just saw that Causebox dropped their 6th spoiler, so let's take a look at it. If you are new to Causebox, it is a lifestyle box. It is $54.95 per season. If you sign up annually, it is $49.95 per season. And if you sign up annually, you have customization in the choices. That is the only way with Causebox that you get customization. The spoiler that we have today is something that is going to be in everyone's box, so no customization required. So I'll tell you about this one, and then I will really quickly just run through the rest of the products that have already been spoiled, and I will put my cards back to those videos where I go into more detail. But this spoiler that again will be in everyone's box is Way of the Will Brightening Face Serum. It has a $37.50 value. They say it is lightweight, fast absorbing. It is rich in vitamins and oxidants, vitamins A and C. It works to moisturize, brighten, and protect your skin from the sun's rays and free radicals. And it is made in Toronto, Canada, and it's vegan, cruelty-free, and all natural. And again, this is spoiler number 6, and this will be in everyone's box. So that's what we know so far. I don't know if we will get any spoilers. I think last season we had 7 products. Sometimes we have 8, but we just don't know. But I had heard, I thought at the beginning of this, that we were gonna get 6 spoilers. If we get more, I will be back to let you know though. If you are all caught up, thanks for coming by, and I will see you again really soon. If you are interested in Causebox, I have my link below, and that will get you $10 off your first box. If you are not caught up, let me run through the first 5 spoilers really quickly. And with all of these spoilers, the only way that you have customization is if you are an annual. If you are seasonal, one from each of these categories will be selected for you. The first spoiler was 2 items: the Green Company Cotton Rounds set of 10 and the Buzzy Seeds Organic Basil Grow Kit. The second spoiler was also 2 items technically, but there were color choices: the Bath & Robe or the Bath & Towel set. And in each of those, you will receive either mint or charcoal. And the third spoiler, also 2 items, included the Tease Tea Glass 3-in-1 Tea and Fruit Infuser, or the Artisan Direct Milky Way Lantern. The fourth spoiler, which is an item that will be in everyone's box, is from Core Bamboo, and they are calling it on Causebox a cheese set, but it is a cutting board, set of tongs, and a spatula. So you can use it as a cheese set if you want, but like me, I'm just gonna break up the pieces and use each one of them individually. The 5th spoiler was actually 3 items, and you will receive either the Volume or Volume, I'm not sure, Love Scrub, which is a face scrub, not for sensitive skin, the Aromatherapy Associates De-Stress Muscle Gel, or the Tribe Alive Rose Gold Crisscross Cuff. And again, with all of those, if you are an annual, go make your customization choices. And if you are a seasonal member, one from each of those categories will be selected for you. Okay, everybody is caught up to date again. I am showing you, I'm sure, the cards of the videos that I did prior where I gave a little more information on each of these items. And I will see you again really soon. Again, if you have any interest in Causebox, I will put my link below. It will get you $10 off your first box. Thanks so much for coming by. Please have a fantastic weekend, and I'll see you again really soon. Bye, guys.